Hi, I'm Saravanan Nambirajan. Today we're going to cook some lovely chicken 65 home style with my daughter. Please can you introduce yourself?
My name is Sana Saravanan and today we're going to make some delicious chicken 65. So let's move on to the ingredient side. Chicken washed with turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, salt, rice flour, and some chili powder,
Turmeric powder,
pepper powder, there's some lemon, curry leaves, green chili, and coriander, and some onion.
First add some ginger garlic paste.
1 spoon.
Yeah, please. Can you add 1 more spoon? Yes.
And you could add some salt for the nice taste.
Yeah. Hope is enough.
A little bit of chili powder.
And this is totally up to you, the spicy level you want. And some turmeric powder. Yeah, and some tiny bit of pepper powder.
And a little bit of coriander powder.
And some curry leaves. Yeah. Use all. Use it all. And green chili. And make sure once you use the green chilies, you need to wash your hands. Okay?
Because they're very, very spicy.
Yeah, and squeeze the lemon.
And you have to use an adult supervision to do this.
1 more lemon. Mix the spices. If you want, you can wash your hands. Mix the spices first.
To mix it thoroughly, very thoroughly. Then add 2 spoons of curd.
Can you add 1 more spoon?
And then you have to add a little bit.
Yeah, make it 2 spoon. For what we are adding the rice flour.
For a crispy taste.
Add 1 more spoon.
And now we're going to have
Mixing
to
again.
mix. And after you've done that, you've got a very light base. Then you could add chicken. You have to wash your hands after you've handled the chicken.
Yeah.
Then if you want, you can mix with a spoon or with your hands, and make sure you mix the chicken very, very goodly. So after you mixed it, you have to give it to your dad and wash your hands, because kids are not allowed on fire. Everybody knows. So I'm going to give it to my dad and wash my hands. And it's now my daddy's turn.
Time to fry the chicken. The temperature all set. Now we're going to put the chicken in the oil. Make sure kids are not allowed in the hot oil. Wait until the chicken cooks and looks very crispy, and take it off very carefully. Transfer to the pepper and time to plate.
Finally, my dad finished making the delicious chicken 65. Now it's my turn to decorate the fantastic, delicious chicken 65. I'm done.
Hope you all enjoyed the videos with my daughter.
Thank you for watching our video. Make sure you subscribe.